Alright, so I lost like 3 hours of footage, 2.5, 3 hours of footage. This is where the engine stands. Studs are installed. It's not torqued down yet. I'm gonna be doing as much assembly as I can today. First torque, 1 through 10, so it should start in the center. 25, 50, and then 80. And then for the little ones, it's just 25 foot-pounds.
Whoa, whoa. Here I come. Oh.
Should be 50. Six. It's kind of hot. Also, it's just warm in this garage. It's not hard, I swear. 80 should be all the way up. That is 80. There's no guessing. No guessing. The fucking cops came. Guess you can't park in a fire lane. I'm gonna go to the other side. Drop this down to 25. Forgot to put these all on hand tight. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Six. $50 for one. All the way up to 80. Should be fun. So, like a dumbass, I forgot to put these nuts on. Put a little bit of the fastener assembly lubricant on it. I'm actually gonna find an imperial size for these small ones. Actually, it says on the paper, 1/2. Got really nervous for a second. I thought I was missing one. Alright, I went to 24, or I went to 29. Just because with the extension, don't think 29 will hurt it at all. Oh shit. Oops. Well, if anything is gonna hurt it, it's gonna be me doing it wrong. So torqued. Heads are on permanently. Until I blow it up. I do not know what is next. Probably this. I got the cam retaining plate in and torqued to 20 foot-pounds. That's the lowest that I had. I only have a 1/2 inch, like the torques that it needs, so, and that was also the lowest on my torque wrench. So calls for 18, went to 20, lubed up the seal on the back of that. The other one cracked, so I don't know why that happened. The other one came with red Loctite on it, pre-applied. I put these new ones in that have blue Loctite, but I put a hair of red Loctite on it, so it should be fine. I don't know, maybe they'll mix and not fucking solidify at all. Engine is in time. See that dot right there? That mark? The dot's on the back side, so I marked the sprocket, and it's really simple. You just line them up, make sure it's at top dead center. Don't know if you'll be able to see. I don't know if you can see that. That is the piston at top dead center. All right, I got the oil pump on. Got the red Loctite on there. Torque down, 18 foot-pounds. We're gonna keep cooking. Alrighty. Got the rockers on. Got the push rods in. Time to torque them down. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are odds. These are evens. All right. After some forum visits and some YouTube videos, I have it figured out. So when it's at TDC, are the two marks pointing at each other on the crank sprocket and the cam sprocket. You're gonna set the lash and you're gonna tighten them down for 1, 2, 7, and 8 for the exhaust. So it should be this second one, the second rocker, the first rocker, the last rocker, and then the second to last rocker. That's for the exhaust rockers. And then for the intake, you want to do 1. So it should be this first rocker, 3, which is this third rocker, 4, which is the second, or the fourth one over here, and then 5, which should be the 5th one over here. And then you turn it 180, and then you do, for the exhaust, you do 3, and then you do 4, so it should be this one, and then 5 and 6, this one, and then this one. I don't know if that made any sense. So now I'm 180 out. I hope I did that right. I think the last thing I'm gonna do is install the oil pump tube, oil pump pickup. This was a pain in the ass, but I think I also had the timing cover on. I don't remember how I got this on here last time. I just remember it being a pain in the ass. Might need a narrower 5. I do have to get a different valve cover, I think. Yeah, this is the driver's side. So I'm pretty sure this PCV let way too much oil through. Granted, I am going to be running the catch can, so maybe, maybe not. I mean, it could be cool to get some new valve covers on here, spruce it up a little bit, but if I do that, then I might have to get different coils. I want to seal this engine up and fucking make sure it's good. So I think tomorrow I'll do all the other buttoning up shit, so like sealing it, fucking, I'm probably just gonna throw the old valve covers on and just run a catch can, because I mean, it doesn't matter if it blows by into a catch can. I mean, and if it gets too crazy, then I will just change them out, because I know there's an OEM part that's supposed to be better. I just haven't done my research yet, so. Other than that, I think that's engine mostly assembled. Just gotta seal shit up. I'll be back tomorrow.